welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new to my channel, then I would like if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So guys, my today's video is all about brushes, and today I have done my whole makeup using this 10 set of brushes, and this set includes 5 different eye brush and 5 different brushes for face. And these brushes are very pocket friendly, and these brushes are also available in the Amazon, and the link is in the description box. So if you want, then go and check it out. And yes, if you are a beginner and you don't want to buy whole 32-piece set of brushes, then you can also buy this 10 set of brushes. And yes, today I have also not used a beauty blender to blend my foundation, concealer, anything. I have used one of my brush from this to blend my concealer, to blend my foundation, everything. So let's get started. First we will start with the primer. Today I am using Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer, which is from Sugar, and I will apply it with the help of my hands. I am not using any brush to apply this, and as this is a priming moisturizer, I will be not using moisturizer or primer differently. The next step is corrector. I am using the orange corrector from Kryolan, and the number is 303, and to apply this corrector I am using the fluffy brush. I will be applying my corrector on my under eye area where I am having pigmentation, acne spots, and I am not using any beauty blender to blend my corrector because my corrector gets blend very easily, very properly with the help of this brush also. So there is no need of using the beauty blender. So the next step is foundation, and here I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I will blend my foundation using this round fluffy brush. So as you can see that I have applied the foundation on my face with the help of the fingers, and I will blend my foundation with the help of the brush. And if you don't have a beauty blender, so you can use your brush to blend your foundation, concealer, anything. You can blend it with the help of the brush also. Now the next step is concealer, and here I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I will apply the concealer on the high points of my face, that is under my eyes, nose bridge and chin. And using the same round fluffy brush, I will just dab it on the area where I have applied my concealer. I will not spread it on my whole face. Now the next step is to fix your concealer and the foundation. Here I am using Kryolan loose powder to fix my foundation, and again with the same round fluffy brush I will apply the loose powder on my face. You can also use any other compact or any other fixing powder. Next is contouring, and for contouring I am using TAC Sculpt & Shine palette, and I will be applying it with the help of a flat angular brush. I will use this brush very lightly to contour my cheek area, and then I will contour jawline and then my forehead. Next is blusher, and to apply the blusher I will be using a very round and very fluffy brush, and I will apply the blusher on my cheek area and on the apple of my cheeks. Now the next step is highlighting, and for highlighting I will be using this pointed domed brush to apply the highlighter, and I will apply it on the high points of my face, that is my cheekbone, nose area, chin and cupids. As we are done with the face makeup, going to the eyes, here I am using an angular brush for applying the eyeshadow on my crease line. So if you want to apply your eyeshadow on the crease line, you have to use this brush. because this brush will stick to your crease and will apply the eyeshadow over there. It will not go above or below. So I am done with applying the eyeshadow on the crease line. Now I want to apply the darker shade on the outer corner of my eyes. So with the help of the same angular brush, I will be applying it on the outer corner. So as this set of brushes don't have a flat brush, so I will be applying the pigments with the help of my finger, and I will apply it from the inner corner of my eyes till the middle of my eyes, and at the end I will be using same angular brush and I will blend it properly so the eyeshadow looks very well blended. So now I am using this pointed brush to highlight my eyebrow bone and to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. So guys, that's it, and as I always say, if you guys like this video, don't forget to turn the grey button blue, subscribe to my channel, and most important thing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you guys get notified whenever I come up with my next makeup video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.